Jamal the First here. Hold on. Since I'm bored, we're just going to do the blender challenge today. Now today we only have 4 ingredients. Water, egg, lemon juice, and Pepsi. So first, let's pour the Pepsi. So, Pepsi's going in. That's enough. Love Pepsi. Next we'll do some water. It's kind of on an angle, so that's not. We'll put the egg in last. Alright, water. Stay hydrated. Those cold as balls outside. Water going in. That's good enough. Don't need too much in there. Alright, lemon juice. It's not really going to show. There. Alright, you just squeeze it down for like 3 seconds, so there's that. Now the one you guys want to see the most likely, the egg. So I accidentally ended the video, so I'm just going to edit it and put it all together. So we got the egg, so just put it in there. And the egg is in. So let's see what we made. Alright, got the lid. Last year we did this and it tasted really good. I don't remember how good it was, but if I do think it was like a strawberry protein shake. Alright, let's blend it. It's not going to blend so good because it's a little broken. So, I think it's smoking. I think the blender's broken. I broke the blender. The blender overheated. The blender doesn't work. I guess next year we won't be doing a blender challenge. Look. Yes, next year we aren't doing no blender challenge. Maybe if I unplug it and plug it back in, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. Plug her back in. Yeah, no, she's broken. Let me look. I mean, you have this. I mean, I can twist it at the bottom. Oh. Smells like lemonade. I guess I'm not. It looks like coffee. I guess the blender is broken, so I guess I'll just put it in and shake it next year. Alright. Well, that's good to know. Well, maybe I'll just buy a new blender with the money I make one day. Man. First video of my hair was short for the blender challenge. Then the next video, a little longer. And now it's like long. I'm not looking forward to this. Well, I'm just gonna assume it's blended. Let's come take a seat. The old chair from last year's video. And we got our drink. It's already bubbled. I'm scared. So I'm going to set you guys up on like 4 data blocks, so give me a second. You guys might notice how in the last 2 years of my blender challenges, I was wearing the same shirt and pants. Well, I lost the pants and the shirt doesn't fit me anymore. Alright, so I got this big ass hoodie on. Alright, sniff test. I can't tell if it smells good or bad. I'm not looking forward to this though. I mean, I guess we can give it a sniff again. I hope this year's not another fail, because next year I'll put mayonnaise in it if this one's a fail. If it's not a fail, I'll put hot sauce in it next year with a bunch of other things. So either mayonnaise and hot sauce, or if I can't finish the entire drink, I have to mix mayonnaise, hot sauce, and a bunch of other things in the drink next year. You can see there's foam on it, like the first year we did it. Like the layer. It looks like coffee. It's probably because of that Pepsi. Well, I'll stop you guys waiting. It's really sunny where I'm living right now. Cheers. What? It's good, but the aftertaste is shit. Hold on. God damn it. 2 years in a row of fail? So I guess next year we're putting mayonnaise in. But if I finish the drink, I'll do both. So there's about 10 ounces in there right now. And if I don't finish the drink, I don't know. Well, the blender's broken, so 3 years of the blender and it's broken. So I guess every year we're just gonna violently shake it. Oh man, I was so scared. I thought it was gonna taste so bad, but it's actually pretty decent. Think of it like coffee, but with lemon juice. And an egg. And Pepsi and water. Well, coffee's basically water, just on caffeine. I don't know. Huh. I'm confused. Past 2 years has been a fail. Next year is not going to be a fucking fail, I can tell you that. Mayonnaise and hot sauce. I started this channel 5 years ago. I was 7 when I started this channel. Now I'm 12. Well, I did make another channel called Dominic Lowe. Subscribe to that, too. I put weird football edits on there for some reason. But I'm not drinking that. No, I'm not drinking that. I'll take another sip, because I mean, look, it looks like coffee. But then, when you look in it, you just see egg. And, yeah, no, I'm not drinking that. I'll take one more sip for the content. Yeah. It's good and bad, so it's half fail, half no fail. Oh, fuck. I'll say this year was half fail and half no fail. So next year will definitely not be a fail. I'll tell you that. Next year, I'll do it in November again. I don't know what months my other ones were in, but from now on it's going to be Novembers that I do this, because why not, man? It's November. You can't do shit in NNN except don't nut. Like peanut butter cups. Yeah, I know what you were thinking, you poopy McPooper. So yeah, I guess it's a fail, half no fail this year. I'm not 100% sure. I'll probably decide on that later. I'm not 100% positive about like how many times I'm gonna keep doing this, because as I get older, I somehow get more mature, which is a shocker. And eventually, this channel won't probably exist in the next 10 years. Most likely. But if it does, I'll be pretty happy. Because I probably won't delete the channel, because 5 years of hard work, 342, no, yeah. Right now, I have 342 videos after I post this. 343. Yeah, I just put too much time over the 5 years that I've been doing this channel. So, I guess I'll shut the fuck up and end the video there. So, this year's Blender Challenge was a half fail and a half no fail. Enjoy your day.